హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. నా ఛానల్లోని వీడియోలు చూస్తున్న అందరికీ ధన్యవాదములు. అయితే మీకోసం ఇప్పుడు మొబీ షో ఈ యాప్ తీసుకొచ్చాను. ఈ యాప్ ద్వారా మీరు పేటిఎంలోకి డబ్బులు అనేది గెలుచుకోవచ్చు. అదేవిధంగా ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా తెలియజేయబోతున్నాను. ఈ యాప్ మీరు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్ ఉంది. ఆ లింక్ ద్వారా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదనుకుంటే ప్లే స్టోర్కి వెళ్ళి కూడా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మొబీ షో అని ఎంటర్ చేయగానే మీకు ఈ లోగోలో కనిపించడం జరుగుతుంది. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ లోగో కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. ఇక్కడ నా యొక్క రెఫర్ కోడ్ కూడా ఇచ్చాను. చూడండి, మీరు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ సైన్ అప్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసి మీ యొక్క మొబైల్ నెంబరు అండ్ మీ యొక్క పేరు ప్లస్ ఎంటర్ ఫ్రెండ్ కోడ్, ఇక్కడ మీకు డిస్ప్లేలో ఫ్రెండ్ కోడ్ కనిపించడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ కోడ్ వేసి మీరు ఈ యాప్ని అనేది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత మీకు ఈ యాప్ ఏ విధంగా పనిచేస్తుందో మీకు చూపించబోతున్నా. చూడండి, ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయగానే మీకు చూడండి, ప్రస్తుతానికి ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఆఫర్స్ అనేది అవైలబుల్ లేవు. 9 PM ఫిబ్రవరి 9 PM అంటే నైట్ నాకు 9 o'clock ఈ ఆఫర్ అనేది నోటిఫికేషన్ ద్వారా రావడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. 9 PMకు ఓపెన్ చేసినట్లయితే ఈ క్విజ్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. అదే విధంగా చూడండి, నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఒక వీడియో చేసి పెట్టాను మీ గురించి. అది ఏ విధంగా చేయాలో మీకు ఈ వీడియో చూసినట్లయితే మీకు తెలిసిపోతుంది. మీకు టైం కాగానే మీకు ఈ విధంగా రావడం జరుగుతుంది. గేమ్ స్టార్ట్ కాగానే స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే ముందు ఇలా వస్తుంది చూడండి. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నోటిఫికేషన్లో మీకు 5 minutes 10 minutes ఇంకా గేమ్ స్టార్ట్ అవబోతుందని మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్లో రావడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఈ వీడియో చూసినట్లయితే మీకు ఏ విధంగా డబ్బులు వస్తాయో మీకు ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా మీకు తెలియడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. గేమ్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది చూడండి.
Right for the day, and you win the cash prize of 6,000 rupees. If there are multiple winners, the prize money will be split and shared equally. Also, if you choose a wrong answer, your lifeline will apply automatically and could save you the game. But if you don't choose any of the options, then your lifeline is not used. And remember, you get to use only one lifeline per game. Right after you win, the amount will reflect in your game wallet, and 5 दिन के अंदर आपको winning amount paytm हो जाएगा. 5 दिन के अंदर, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you've registered with your paytm number. And what if I don't have any lifelines left, Fatima? What do I do? Arey yaar, you're still asking me the same question. Go to the home screen, click on the heart icon and get your referral code and share it amongst all your friends. And do remember, for this week alone, we are not just offering you lifelines but also ₹10 for every friend you invite. And the best part, both you and your friend get it, and we are very, very fair that way. This amount will credit to your game wallet on the night you and your friend play the game the first time. Also, to our regular players, there is so much that I must tell you, but first what I need to tell you is thank you so much for joining me. A big shout out to Abhishek 287, P Deep, Vijesh 686, happy 623. We are also feeling happy. Manish, Meena 538, MK 545. Sounds like some gun or something, right? Jazzy, what a sassy name. And all of you, thank you so much for joining us. And for all of you who are playing right now, are you ready? I'm sure you all are. Question number 1. Which of these shapes is a three-sided figure? Is it A square, B rectangle, or C triangle? We're starting off with a very easy question. This is more like a high school geometry sort of a question. So I know most of you will get this right. Let's find out what the right answer is. The right answer to this question of the shape with three sides is triangle. Yay! A lot of you got this right. Smart. Oh, this is a very easy question. Come on, be honest. But congrats to all of you who got that right. So many things are triangular. Nachos, bingo mad angles, slice
చూసారా, మనం రాంగ్ ఇచ్చినట్లయితే ఇలా రాంగ్ చూపించడం
cheese.
జరుగుతుంది.
Give me, just order some cheese, guys. Pizza, yeah. Okay, so we'll do that after the shoot. So the right answer for this question is triangle. Moving on to question number 2. Which famous Mughal emperor was referred to as the Great? Is it A. Akbar, B. Humayun, or C. Alexander? Remember those childhood stories
Akbar.
that had an interesting
Correct
and a
answer, Akbar.
smart twist in the end? That was the Great King, ladies and gentlemen. So now we will move on to the answer. The famous Mughal emperor who was referred to as the Great is Akbar. Akbar was the son of Humayun, who was the third Mughal emperor and ruled from 1556 to 1605. Did you know Akbar slept only for 4.5 hours a day? In a day, 4.5 hours, because he was a workaholic and he did not want to waste his time sleeping. Like, who doesn't like sleeping? I love sleeping. So the third question's on your screen. What is the holy book of Christians called? Is it A. Quran, B. Bhagavad Gita, or C. Bible? Holy book is a sacred book belonging to a particular religious community. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikhism. So the right answer for the holy book of Christians is the Bible. Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hinduism and Quran is the holy book of Islam. Bible has the largest number of translations among the books that are available in the world. It was originally written in Hebrew and Arabic, and their word count is 6,11,000. I think everyone should read all the holy books and at least once in their lifetime because it makes them a better person. Question number 4 on your screen. Which god of Hindus is in form of a Vanara? Is it A. Hanuman, B. Krishna, or C. Lakshman? I know 50% of you have tried this avatar for all your school fancy dress competitions. I'm sure you guys look stunning.
Hanuman.
And the right
Hanuman.
answer to this question is, come on, Hanuman. Hanuman was a great deity to Lord Rama. Well, you all know that, I'm sure. But did you know that he once applied sindoor, red sindoor, all over his body for Lord Rama's long life? And Hanuman played
ఇక్కడ మనం రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చినాం కాబట్టి రాంగ్ అని చూపిస్తుంది. కృష్ణ అని మనం రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చాము, అందుకే రాంగ్ అని చూపిస్తుంది.
Well, that is true devotion, ladies and gentlemen. We now move on to question number 5. What is the name of the two bean-shaped organs in the body which cleans the blood? Is it A. Pancreas, B. Kidneys, or C.
చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మనం కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తే కరెక్ట్ అని చూపిస్తుంది.
Bean-shaped?
చూడండి, కిడ్నీస్.
The heart? The stomach? Right, stomach. Stomach looks like a bean, guys. Oh, okay, stomach is not even a part of the option. The right answer is kidney. Did you know the blood flow to the kidneys is higher than the blood flow in the heart,
చూసారా, ఇలా
in the
కరెక్ట్
brain?
చేశారు.
You know they are very, very smaller. This is because each individual kidney consists of at least 1 million and up to 2 million nephrons. Nephrons are nothing but very, very tiny filters that are capable of filtering blood and eliminating all the waste materials from the body. Question number 6 on the screen. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is located in which of this Indian state? Is it A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, or C. Kerala? Did you know his name is not derived from Lord Shiva, but in fact a regional deity by the name of Shivai? Let's find out what the correct answer is. Yes, the answer is Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is located in Mumbai and it is named after the 17th century Maratha warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji. It was formerly known as the Sahar International Airport. It is the second busiest airport in the country in terms of its total and international passenger traffic after our capital, Delhi. Question number 7. iPhones are associated with which of these companies? Is it A. Google, B. Amazon, or C. Apple? Well, it is the dream phone for most of us, except of course the iPhone. Okay, so Apple has revolutionized the way people look at smartphones. Steve Jobs has become so famous, so famous, so famous just with this company that people nicknamed him Nerd Jesus. But both the movies were made on him. I think they were made by Microsoft. So we now move on to the next question. Mowgli is a fictional character of which famous stories? Is it A. Chota Bheem, B. The Jungle Book, or C. Tarzan? Well, I'm sure a lot of you grew up watching Mowgli, Chota Bheem, Tarzan, and Shaktiman. These powerful guys, I used to love them. Guys. Yeah. So let's move on to the answer. The answer is The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book was published in 1894. It is a collection of stories by the English author Rudyard Kipling. Many films and TV series were made on The Jungle Book. One was made very, very recently. It was an animated movie made by Disney. Jungle, jungle, baat chali hai, pata chala hai. Come on, I'm feeling nostalgic. I'm sure you guys are too. So now the question: what is the capital of Sri Lanka? Is it A. Ceylon? Is it B. Colombo? Or C. Croatia? Did you know Sri Lanka has the highest literacy rate in the whole of Asia? 98.1% according to the 2010 census. Did that help? Let's find out. Colombo is the right answer. Sri Lanka's capital is Colombo. Now, what comes to your mind when I tell you Sri Lanka? The beautiful beaches, Malinga with the curly hair of his, and of course, the beautiful Jacqueline Fernandez who was crowned the winner of the 2016 Miss Universe Sri Lanka pageant. I'm sure you guys knew or maybe didn't that Sri Lanka is also famous for cinnamon. 80% of the world's supply comes from them. Final question time. Are you guys ready? This is going to decide your fate in this game. Which planet amongst the solar system is also called the red planet? Is it A. Mercury, B. Earth, or C. Mars? A solar system has 8 planets, not 9. Pehle 9 the, up we have 8, and every one of them has a nickname. How cool is that? Every planet has a nickname, just like maybe your friends. And the answer is Mars. Mars is also known as the red planet because it appears in the sky as an orange red star. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. It is the home to the tallest mountain in the solar system called Olympus Mons, a shield volcano which is 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers in diameter. Wow, I'm already going crazy. So science kitna aage.
చూశారు కదండి, ఈ విధంగా ఏ విధంగా గెలుచుకోవచ్చో మీకు ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా మీరు చూశారు కదా. అయితే మీరు జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్నట్లయితే మీకు ఈజీగా ఈ డబ్బులు అనేది గెలుచుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే అండి, మీకు ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ యాప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్ ఇచ్చాను, ఆ లింక్ ద్వారా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మీకు డిస్ప్లేలో రెఫర్ కోడ్ కూడా కనిపించడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ రెఫర్ కోడ్ ద్వారా మీరు ఈ యాప్ని అనేది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే అండి, హ్యాపీ ఎర్నింగ్.